Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of adding flax seeds to your daily diet. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals and healthy fats that can significantly improve your overall health. Let's get started. First up, flax seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. ALA helps reduce inflammation in blood vessels, a major contributor to heart disease. Studies show that regular consumption of ALA can lower blood pressure and triglyceride levels. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of protection. Flax seeds are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals, particularly magnesium, phosphorus and B vitamins. Magnesium is crucial for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation and blood pressure control. Adding flax seeds to your diet ensures you're getting these essential nutrients supporting your overall health. Flax seeds are a fantastic source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, regulating blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with promising anti-cancer effects. Lignans may help protect against hormone-related cancers, particularly breast cancer, by blocking cancer cell growth and reducing inflammation. Including flax seeds in your diet could play a role in reducing your cancer risk. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but flax seeds can help lower cholesterol levels naturally. The soluble fiber in flax seeds binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This helps reduce LDL cholesterol, which contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Just a few tablespoons of flax seeds daily can make a noticeable difference in your cholesterol levels. High blood pressure or hypertension is another major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds relax blood vessels, reducing pressure on artery walls. Additionally, the fiber in flax seeds helps regulate blood pressure by promoting healthy digestion and reducing cholesterol levels. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet supports healthy blood pressure levels. If you're trying to manage your weight, flax seeds can be a valuable ally. The high fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you can take advantage of their appetite-regulating properties. Flax seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for a diabetic-friendly diet. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows down sugar absorption, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Additionally, lignans in flax seeds improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in blood sugar control. Now that you know the benefits of flax seeds, here are some easy ways to incorporate them into your diet. Sprinkle ground flax seeds onto your breakfast cereal, yogurt or oatmeal. Add them to smoothies for a nutritional boost without altering the taste. For baking, ground flax seeds can act as an egg replacement in many recipes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips. Adding flax seeds to your diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health. See you next time.